Alright, so there are two ways to make the goalkeeper drop the ball in Dream League Soccer or DLS. So I'm going to show you the first way. I'll give the goalkeeper the ball. I've made a video about it before. All you need to do is just swipe down from the C button. As you can see, he just dropped the ball. That one sometimes doesn't work. You may end up kicking the ball and it goes far away. The next one is the latest update. All you need to do is just tap on the right side. As you can see, the goalkeeper drops the ball. Let's do it again. So I'll just tap on the right side, any part on the right. Let's try the left. Oh, even the left works. So just tap on any part of your screen and the goalkeeper will drop the ball. I didn't know you could do it on the left. Okay, so that's how you do it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.